With spring groundwork season quickly approaching, we're seeing quite a few customer calls about GS2 and GS3 displays losing their AutoTrac activation. If you find yourself in this situation, here are some quick fixes to get you back up and moving. In your 2600 or 2630 display, let's go to the main menu on the bottom right. Once there, we'll go ahead to the Display tab on the top right. We'll select Settings on the top right, and then we'll select the Time and Date tab on the top left. Once this is selected, we want to go all the way to the bottom of the screen and deselect the GPS Time Sync button. What this is going to do is this is going to allow you to separate the time and date from being auto-synced from the GPS receiver. So we'll go ahead and uncheck that box, and that's going to allow you to change the time and date. So we'll go ahead to the years and change that year from 2026 to any date prior. And this should allow you to continue to use your AutoTrac. One downside of doing this method is if you are producing agronomic data from this display, you may find when this information comes into Operations Center, it shows the wrong crop year. We can change that crop year in Operations Center, but there may be a simpler method to fix this without having to change the year in the display. To do this, we want to go to www.deere.com/en/stellar support, and the link will be down below. When we go to this page, we'll be able to scroll down and find the proper software for our display. And we'll go ahead and click the download now, and usually that's a yellow button. Once that's been downloaded, we'll be able to open up the proper software for our display onto a USB drive, and then we'll take that USB drive and plug it in to the proper display and update the software. And this should completely fix your issue from now moving forward. Like I mentioned, this is affecting most GS2 and GS3 displays. So that's anywhere from 2005 to roughly 2019 age displays. And this is your 2100, 2600, 1800s, GS3 command arm, and 2630. If you need help with any part of this process, please reach out to your local Papé Precision Ag specialist and we'll be happy to help.